In the heart of Africa, a transformative journey begins as Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger republics decide to withdraw from ECOWAS, unknowingly setting the stage for a new chapter in the continent's history. As the decision reverberates across the African landscape, it becomes clear that this withdrawal might be a blessing in disguise, a catalyst for change that could unite African nations and break free from the shackles of external influence. Our story unfolds with a compelling narrative, urging African heads of government to seize this opportunity to forge a united front. The call is clear. It's time for Africa to build its economy around the vast natural resources bestowed upon this majestic continent. African nations, driven by a shared vision, embark on a journey of regional cooperation, deliberately creating a market for Africa by Africans. The concept of a common currency emerges, the Afro, a symbol of unity, strength, and economic independence. Africa makes a bold declaration. No currency shall surpass the Afro. It becomes the legal tender for international business and trade, as the continent bans the use of any foreign currency in transactions with African nations. The exchange rate is fixed at a resolute 1 to 1 euro. The call echoes. It's time for African nations to liberate themselves from the chains of colonial mentality. The clock is ticking, and the continent must awaken from its slumber. The visionaries understand that now is the moment to break free and assert their economic sovereignty. A rallying cry emerges. Africa must seize this moment of conflict among superpowers. Russia, a player with intentions to decolonize Africa, steps into the arena. The continent must resist the influence of Western powers and capitalize on this opportunity to stand tall, truly independent. As the war in Ukraine fuels conflict among the superpower nations, Africa stands at a turning point. Russia and China are ready to disrupt the status quo. It's Africa's time to capitalize on this geopolitical shift, to chart its own destiny and become a beacon of true independence. The story of Africa unfolds with a call to action. Comrade Abdul Wahab Ekekid, the executive director of the Young People's Initiative for Credible Leadership, voices the urgency of the moment. The time is now for Africa to unite, break free, and emerge as a force to be reckoned with on the global stage. This narrative story paints a vivid picture of a continent on the brink of a new era, a tale of unity, economic independence, and the resilience of a people ready to shape their own destiny.
Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.